So let's go. It's probably on that balcony up there. So let's go. Hey guys, because it's Friday today, so that's why the bar is closed. So now going to another hotel and see if it's open or not. So let's go. Hey guys, a few minutes ago there was a gecko on my back, and then it was really a funny moment. A gecko was climbing on my back, and then we had to take it off from my back. It was super funny, but I couldn't film it, but it was super funny. So guys, let's go to another bar and see if it's open or not. Hey guys, all bars are closed. Probably Ocean Paradise is also closed maybe. So because it's Friday, every bar is probably closed in Cox's Bazar. So let's see what else we can do today. And probably now I'll go to my hotel Ocean Paradise and let's see what happens in there, if that's open or not. Hey guys, now going to a known person's hotel to see his room, and after that I'll go back to Ocean Paradise. So let's go and see the room. Oh, এটাও তো সুন্দর। It looks like a hostel. হোস্টেলের মতন দেখা যায়।
হ্যাঁ, হোস্টেলের মতো। এটা তো থাকি আমি
ওইখানে কই দেখেন। Hostel room guys. Backpackers, super duper backpacking room. Or maybe like a hippie gypsy room. So guys, let's go. I love the lighting in this hotel. Super like Hey guys, all the bars and all alcohol stays closed in Friday in Cox's Bazar. So now going to the restaurant and giving the try that if they serve alcohol in the restaurant or not. So let's see what happens. Can have some drinks, but have to get it from the Rooftop barbecue restaurant, and we have to order food with the drinks. Cannot have only drinks. So now going to the Rooftop barbecue restaurant, Ocean Paradise. We're on the roof of Ocean Paradise. Probably gonna have an awesome view from here. Wow, awesome view of Kolatuli Road. Kari Kolatuli Road now? Beach Road, Kolatuli. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see the magnificent view of Cox's Bazar from here, but it's awesome through the lens. But in real life, it's awesome view. The view is awesome from here. It's like a drone view. I couldn't bring my drone because it got crashed and I couldn't bring my drone because it got crashed and now it's getting fixed. So like all these days I wish that if I had the drone, but now that wish is fulfilled with this view. Let's go on the other side to watch the ocean view. This is the ocean view, guys. I don't know how much you guys can see with the GoPro lens, but this is the ocean view. And in real life, it's awesome view. Guys, let's go and order some food. Ordering the food because we have to have some beer, and we cannot only order beer, we have to order food. Then with the food we have to order beer or any other hard drink or something. So let's see. Hey guys, finally ordered stir-fried squid, barbecue squid and naan, and only can have beer but no whiskey or no cocktails. So that's why I ordered some beer, and because I cannot only order beer, that's why I had to have some food as well. So I had to order the squid and naan. I don't know how it's gonna taste because I'm already full. I don't have much space left in my stomach, so I don't. So let's see what happens when the food and drink arrive. No. Hey guys, finally having some beer. Hopefully the squid are gonna be tasty as well. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, today's video is already super long. It's kind of like a vlogumentary or something that I saw in YouTube. People using this word when a vlog becomes more than 50 minutes or more than 40-50 minutes. They use the word vlogumentary or something. So I'm also using the word vlogumentary. Yeah, it's probably already become a vlogumentary. So let's see when I'm gonna conclude the video, because the day's already ended and the drinks already started drinking, and then food, and and after that let's see what happens. Otherwise I will end the vlog after drinking and having the food and going back to my room and all those things. So let's see what happens. Guys, the squid না এটা ডিফারেন্ট, ওইটা অন্যটাতে, ওইটা ছিল কালামারি আর এটা হচ্ছে স্কুইড। Hey guys, barbecue squid is here. So it looks super yummy, so I'm gonna give it a try and see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, just finished with our drinks and now going back to my room, and I thought that why not end the vlog in here from the rooftop barbecue bar in Ocean Paradise. So yeah guys, signing off from Ocean Paradise Rooftop barbecue restaurant, and hope you guys like the video, today's video vlogumentary, because it's already super long video. So yeah, if you guys, when you guys watch my video, please like and share my video, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is it then guys, see you guys in the next one.